Good evening and welcome to Cronkite News Watch. I'm Dan Neely.
And I'm Emily Irwin.
Former County Attorney Andrew Thomas is used to being the one grilling defendants in court, but today he found himself on the other side, having to answer questions in an ethics hearing that could lead to his disbarment.
Reporter Chelsea Smith joins us live via Skype from the state Supreme Court with more on how Thomas defended himself today during today's hearings. Chelsea?
Emily, there was no visible lack of confidence coming from Andrew Thomas today, as he was very short when answering questions and sometimes even laughed. But that does not mean that he can avoid answering those tough questions.
The disciplinary hearing started 2 months ago at the Arizona Supreme Court. Finally, today, the man at the center of the ethics investigation took the stand to testify.
Would you agree that your judgment in representation of the people of the state of Arizona was limited?
No.
The former Maricopa County Attorney Andrew Thomas defended himself against his alleged 33 ethical violations, with his assistants Lisa Aubuchon and Rachel Alexander.
And you recognize that regardless of what another lawyer tells you about your legal obligations under the ethical rules, it's your obligation to make sure that your conduct complies with the ethical rules?
Yes.
At times, yes or no seemed to be the only words Thomas could come up with while testifying, except when it came to the topic of former Maricopa County Supervisor Don Stapley.
It was clear in my mind that Don Stapley was corrupt and had violated the criminal law, and he should be held accountable.
Thomas is referring to Stapley's former arrest on 99 counts and 2 indictments back in December of 2009. Stapley was just one of several public officials and judges targeted by Thomas while in office.
Why do you think he was corrupt?
Because he was receiving $15,000 a month approximately from a convicted felon. That was extremely concerning to someone who was in a law enforcement position, as I was at that time.
Those charges against Don Stapley were dropped, and for tomorrow, character witnesses for Lisa Aubuchon will take the stand. Live from the Arizona Supreme Court, Chelsea Smith, Cronkite News.